Good morning. It's Saturday, April 18th. I'm Shep Siegel, CTO of Atomic Rules. We're going to configure the Agilent 33522A function generator as a 10 megahertz external reference to the A5PL card. We'll select sine and we will select frequency and we'll key in 10 megahertz. We see we're on our external lock to our rubidium source. As far as amplitude, we'll go for 3 volts peak to peak. And because the early A5PL boards are DC coupled, we'll dial in an offset of positive 1.5 volts so that we correctly actuate the opto-isolator. So 10 megahertz reference, 3 volt peak to peak sine wave, shifted up 1.5 volts. Now we will go to the develop branch of A5PL and use Quartus program to download the A5PL bitstream. Lastly, we have a shot of a terminal window where we're reading from bar offset 10 and we see the dead beef cafe food. If we scroll over here and read from location 90 as a uint64 read, we see that at the bottom we're getting all zeros. That is because the external reference is not applied. If I come back over here to the Agilent generator and switch on the output that we programmed before and go to read 90, we can see here by the 1 that bit 16 is indeed set. And if we now switch off the generator again, pressing the off button and go to read 90, we see that goes to 0. So the bit 16 in the 64-bit location hex 90 from the base of bar 0 indicates the lock status to the 10 megahertz external reference.